Hey Miss Queen, today we're going to explore sampling distribution of the mean using family data by group 2. So first, we're going to find the mean. So to find the mean, we have to put each sample of each member of the siblings. So we have 2 siblings, 3 siblings, 3 siblings, 4 siblings, and divide it by 4 because the sample is 4. You add the numerator, which equals to 12, divided by 4 equals 3. That is the mean. After finding the mean, we have to solve for the variance. To solve the variance, you have to put the sample minus it by the mean, then square. Do all of that for each sample, then divide it by 4. Then we will find the variance, which is 0.5. Now for the standard deviation, it is easy. You just have to square the 0.5, which is 0.7071. So for the sample table, we have the sample number for each sample. So it's listed from 1 to 64 because there are 64 possible outcomes. So here we have the name for each member and each possible outcomes until 64. And the number of children and the number of siblings of each member. And to get the sample mean, you have to add these 3 and divide it by 3 because there are 3 samples. So after listing all the possible outcomes in the population table, we move to the probability distribution, which is N is equals to 64. And this X represents the sample mean, and this P of X represents how many sample mean will show in the 64 samples. So here, the sample mean, which is 2, comes in 1 over 64. The 2.33 comes 6 over 64. Then 2.67, 15 times over 64. 3, 20 times over 64. 3.33, 15 times over 64, 3.67, 6 times over 64, and 4, which is 1 over 64. Here in bar graph, this represents the table. So we move on to the bar graph. This gives us a visual representation of the P of X, which is here, and the X, which is here. This shows that how frequent the sample mean comes out in the outcome of 64. So now we have the example of the population mean and the population variance. The population mean is equal to the mean of the sample means. The population variance is greater than the variance of samples. This shows that the variation in the sample means for sample of N equals 3 is much less than the variation in the individual numbers of typing errors of the family data.